Hey there everybody. So it's been a real adventure to get in here this morning. First I got lost driving here, and then I had to kind of pick my way down into the canyon. So I'm here, finally, a little later than I had hoped for, but I'm here. To make sure I don't get lost again, I built myself this nice little cairn here so I can find my way back, know when I need to go up to the road. So yeah, I got a nice clear looking river to fish this morning, so man, just so looking forward to it. On my personal day today, so best day at work ever. Just so looking forward to it. So thankful, so blessed to be able to do this. So rigs for today. Got my tight line nymphing rig on my 10-foot 3-weight. Never fail stone that's quite yellow for today because the yellow stone or the golden stonefly has been coming off. And then we got dog's breakfast underneath. And I got the dry dropper rig, which we're going to try first. I got a miracle caddis on there and a dog's breakfast underneath. I've been catching everything on the dog's breakfast, so that's got to be the dropper for today unless something really changes. Thanks for coming out with me today, guys. Go. Just little. Okay, easy now. And he's off. Okay. He would have been too small for the net. In the net, and he's free. Barbless hooks rule. I got a nice little cut there. Nice little guy. All right, little buddy. Whoop, and off you go. Took the dropper. Dog's breakfast. Holy crap! That fly is something else. Got another one. There we go. Oh, he's colored up even. Pretty. Easy now. Hey, it's out. Alright. Another nice cutty. Decent size. And off he goes. Oh, something bothered it. There we go. He's just little. Probably fall through the bottom of my net. Alright, easy now. Easy now. It's out. And there's another. Nice cut. Nice one. Off he goes. Oh man, they're so pretty right now. All right, you're clear. You're clear. All right. He's sitting right down. There he goes. There he goes. So, this year I got some new equipment and needed to find some use for some of my old equipment. I had kind of retired a few of my old action cameras that I didn't use and decided that, well, one of them could be used for an underwater camera. And I've been taking underwater footage on a lot of my trips as I've been going along this year, and just thought you might enjoy seeing kind of what goes on underneath the water while I'm fishing. And in here you can see a bunch of fish that are feeding. They swim by periodically and just kind of go about their business, but it can be pretty fascinating and sometimes hypnotic to watch. There we go. He's on. Maybe if I shorten the line, that might help. All right. There we go. Okay, let's get you back in there. You gonna live, dude? Off you go. Okay. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's gotta be about the world's dumbest fish. He actually took that thing while I was retrieving it. Here for you. Let's get you back in the water. Oh, did you rehook yourself? Come on. There we go. Alright. Here, let's get you back in there. So you can be smarter. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There you go. Hey everybody, it's been, well, the morning wasn't so great, but the afternoon's been pretty good. Lots of little small cutthroats, but that's kind of what I was out for today, just to get out on a small stream, fish some dries, and just have a little fun with some native cutthroats. So that's what I'm doing. I'm enjoying myself. I'm taking my personal day today, so it's the best day at work ever. Yeah, it's gonna be, still got a few more hours yet to have some more fun and get up this creek. So thought I'd take a little break though, have something to eat and maybe have a nice cold one. So today, gonna be having a vanilla porter. It's kind of a stout. It's got a nice little kind of hint of vanilla in it. It's by Mill Street Breweries. Had this one lots of times before, but just thought I'd have it today. This is one of my favorites. It's a lot like Guinness, actually. As you can see. Cheers, everybody. I could have probably left it in the creek a little bit longer. Oh, man. What a perfect day. Only thing that could make today better would be if I had my wife and boys out here with me. My wife picked up fly fishing last year and caught her first fish on the fly, and actually we got it on video. It's on my YouTube channel. If you're ever looking for ways to get your wife or partner into fly fishing, I've got a video on that. And my kids, they've been doing it now for a few years, and you know, they're 8 and 10, and man, they love it and they're good at it. It's just a great way to get out as a family. Unfortunately, they had school today, so they couldn't come. But yeah, I'm taking my personal day and I'm enjoying the outdoors. It's sunny, it's beautiful. Absolutely blessed. Blessed and thankful. Well, thanks guys for coming out with me. Cheers.